Hey guys, it's Robyn over at Russ Darrow Metro Mazda. Just wanted to run through very quickly on some basic information when it comes to your vehicle's filters. Now, all of us are familiar with oil filters. However, a lot of people tend to forget about two other very important filters. One is your engine air filter and the other one is your cabin air filter. Now, typically both of them are recommended to be replaced every 15,000 miles. On a cabin air filter, I personally do recommend every 12,000 miles, simply because of all the allergens that are out and COVID, other airborne illnesses. Better safe than sorry. I'm going to show you very quickly where you can locate these filters, what they should look like, and when you want to replace them. All right, guys, now this right here is where you would find your engine air filter. Now, a lot of manufacturers do have them right up front, and it's literally just a couple of little clips here that you pop open. You can hear that click. And then you lift this up, and inside you are going to find your filter. Now, this one is very clean. This is what you're watching for. So your engine air filter is going to basically clean dirt, dust, sand, other contaminants before it actually heads into the engine. So this one definitely close to being replaceable, may have a little bit more life in it. If it is any dirtier than this, please make an appointment. We'll swap it out for you. Again, this is what a nice clean engine air filter should look like. Now, your cabin air filter is located right here in your glove box. It does require that you actually remove your glove box, but then this one little clip and you pull it out. This is a good example of a cabin air filter you want to replace. All right, now keep in mind the cabin air filter is helping with the mold, the spores, the allergens, all that stuff that can pop in. So again, this one looks very good. And you just slide it in there until it clips. And you are good to go to put your glove box door back on. If you do have any questions or when you are ready for new filters, definitely give us a call. We're always here to help.